Hey guys, today I have an Amazon Basics large DSLR gadget bag with orange interior with me. I'll be doing a review of the same today. Uh, this is not an unboxing video because I'm using it for a while. I bought this product from Amazon an year ago on a price of 1849 rupees. So I feel I'm pretty authentic to do a review of the same. Yeah, you can see the Amazon Basics logo over here, and the material they used to build this product is of good quality. It looks really nice, and you can see that after an year of use there is no wear and tear, and there is no serious damages yet. And let's go to the features of the product. As you see, it has got two handles, one at the front side and one at the back, and these two can be joined using a sticky flap like this, and if required we can separate it like this. Let's keep it joined so that we can hold the bag like this single-handedly. And it has got a shoulder strap as well, a shoulder strap with a padding which adds more comfort to the shoulder. This is a padding, and you can see if it is not required, you can easily remove this from the bag. You can keep it inside the bag if not required, and you can attach it to the bag when needed. Okay, and here two compression straps with clips, which is used to keep the lid attached to the main body of the bag. And let's open these two. Okay, so I just opened the main lid of the bag, and we have one more lid over here with a zip open lid. There is a zip to open and close this secondary lid. So I'm opening it, and you can see a pocket in the lid itself where I kept my USB cables and my extra memory card, SD card, and other small items in that. And it's a net kind of material they use, so that we can easily see what we have in the pocket. And let's move to the main container. Here I have my 1300D Canon placed here in the main container and the main section of the container, and I have my entry level tele lens of 55 to 250 meter lens in this section, and this is my charger for speed light. So you can see a speed light is placed over here. It is separated with flaps. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 flaps that coming, 4 separators that coming with this bag, so that we can conveniently separate the main container with respect to the products or accessories what we have with us. So right now I have a 18 to 55 mm lens and an entry level tele. It's 55 to 250. So I placed it here in two small containers, and here I kept my Canon charger. So here is my speed light. So this one is an extra one. This is a charger for my speed light batteries. So I kept it here like this. yeah, that's about the main container. I will show you how can we adjust the container size using this removable flaps or the separators. So you can see it is attached. It is a sticky material which you can remove it like this. You can see this is a sticky material. You can attach it anywhere in this container, and you can make the sections. You can divide the main container into different sections like this. You can make it big, you can make it small like this. Yeah, that's how it goes. That's about the main section, main container. And here we have a pocket in front of the bag, and here you will see a small pocket. But yeah, here you will see a damage over here. The stitching was not proper, so right now I can see a small damage happened over here. Yeah, but still, yeah, it's not serious. Here I kept my camera battery. When not in use, I will be removing my battery from the camera unit and will be placing it over here. And we have two small pockets here you can keep pen or small batteries or something like that. And here you can keep anything. It's a big pocket. Also we have another pocket here. You can keep some accessories here as well. It's somewhat similar to the pocket we had in the lid, a net kind of material. And that's about the front pocket. And along with that we have two side pockets with a zip and runner. I have placed my speed light batteries in this one, so this can be used for those kind of purposes. And another side pocket in the other side, which is again with a zip and runner. And my charger cable, adapter cable, is placed in this one. Yeah, and that's pretty much about this product. So I would say after an year of use, I'm a kind of mid-level user. Like I'm not using it too heavily, but still, yeah, I'm a mid-level user. I can say this product, you can go for this one, because after an year of use, it still looks new, and there is no serious damage as such. Yeah, I would recommend this product for all those guys who are looking for a DSLR camera bag, at least for an entry level. You can go for this one. The material they used is durable. It's really awesome. There is no wear and tear yet, no serious damages. So right now I guess it costs around 1900 rupees in Amazon, but still for that price this product is worth. Yeah, so go for this one, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Like the video if you find this helpful. Thanks, guys. I'll see you again. Bye bye.